Can you get payment plans for dental implants? I have one word for you. Absolutely. Absolutely. You can get financing for dental implants and payment plans. Now, depending on the treatment, depending on your financial situation, we will take responsibility to trying to find a solution for you to allow you to afford dental implants. So whether it's an in-house payment plan for a month or 2 or 3 months, whatever it may be, or we actually go to another third party for financing. We're going to have a host of different financial companies that we can actually go to, and we're going to take, again, the responsibility to make sure you get the dental implant solution that you want. Whether it's 1 tooth, 2 teeth, 3 teeth, a snap-in denture, or individual implants for the entire mouth, or perhaps like an all-in-4 fixed implant on 4 to 6 implants, or bridge on 4 to 6 implants. No matter what it may be, whatever your budget may be, we will find financing for you. That way you can afford getting healthy, getting your smile back, getting your confidence back, be able to eat once again, be able to speak, be able to go on a date. Imagine that you haven't done a dating and you had a recent breakup, whatever it may be, but you can go on a date again and smile with confidence and feel good about yourself and feel attractive, right? Perhaps you haven't had a good meal, you enjoy steak. You want to go to your favorite restaurant and enjoy it and chew and just eat with confidence and laugh and smile and not hold back. You want to order food at the menu without covering your mouth. You don't want to go like this anymore. You want to hear a good joke and be able to let it go and just live life. Be you. You want to be you. I see it every day. I get it. And I'm going to tell you, what I also get is the feeling that I receive when we give everybody that the final smile out the door, how good they actually feel. It's amazing how good they feel. And if you want to feel like that, you have to know that at Modern Family Dental Care, we're going to make sure you have a payment plan that you can actually get for your dental implant solution and treatments. So, hey, listen, we're a top provider for dental implants. If you're looking for payment plans, look below. There'll be some links where you can schedule out some consultations. You'll be able to call our office, speak to one of our coordinators. We'll get you in for some consultations. We'll figure out what you need, what your goals are, what you're looking to achieve, everything. We're gonna cover the game plan for you, plan A. When we have plan A, we know the budget. When we have the budget, we find financing. When we have financing, we have payment plans. And it's gonna fit your budget. And it's gonna be amazing how good you feel after you're done with treatment. You're committed to yourself. You're treating your body like a Ferrari, and that's what you need to do. So look below and get that link. All right, look forward to meeting you.